Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review, please note that the link to purchase the 4-pack 400 by 300 millimeters DIY PC case dust filter at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This set of magnetic dust filters is a practical and versatile solution for anyone looking to protect their computer components from dust buildup while maintaining optimal airflow. Each filter measures 400 by 300 millimeters and comes with 16 magnetic strips, allowing you to easily customize the size to fit virtually any PC case. The magnetic attachment system ensures a secure fit without the risk of scratching or damaging your case, and it also makes removal and cleaning hassle-free. One standout feature is the 1.2 millimeters hole diameter of the PVC mesh filter. This is slightly larger than many standard filters, which typically have 0.8 millimeters or 1 millimeter holes. The larger holes improve ventilation and heat dissipation, which is crucial for maintaining your PC's performance and longevity. Despite the larger hole size, the mesh is still effective at keeping out dust and debris. Made from durable, washable PVC material, these filters are reusable and environmentally friendly, offering excellent longevity compared to disposable alternatives. Pros of this product include its easy DIY customization, strong magnetic attachment, superior airflow thanks to the 1.2 millimeters mesh holes, and washable, reusable design. On the downside, the larger holes might allow slightly finer dust particles to pass through compared to filters with smaller mesh sizes. So if you are in an extremely dusty environment, you may want to consider that. Additionally, while the magnetic strips work well on metal cases, they may not be compatible with non-metallic PC cases. Overall, this 4-pack dust filter kit provides a great balance between dust protection and cooling efficiency, making it a smart investment for PC builders and enthusiasts who want to keep their systems clean and running cool. Don't forget, the link to grab this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out and keep your PC dust-free with ease.